Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, what we've got for you today is an absolutely gorgeous pen. For you regular viewers, you would have watched my last video, the pen haul video, and occasionally I'll tease you with a pen that I like to, well, do an individual review on, and this was one of them. There you go, you can see on the case it says Omas. So let's take the pen out and show you. Feast your eyes on this. Yes, absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? Hey, what an absolutely stunning pen. What we've got for you here, nice and simple, we've got the Omas 360 Bronze Vision fountain pen, and this, as you can see, is what we term as a demonstrator. As I said, absolutely gorgeous. Now this pen, I believe, was a limited edition fountain pen. I believe this one, as you can quite clearly see, hence the name Bronze Vision, this demonstrator has a tint of bronze running all the way through the pen. I believe they brought out a clear one as well, and they may have actually brought out maybe another colour, I'm not quite sure. But I believe it was from around about circa 2003. As I say, a limited edition of, I believe to be, 1,000 pens. The size of this particular pen, capped, is a lovely 150 millimeters capped, so it's quite a large pen. The diameter from sort of the side to the side is 15 millimeters in diameter, and hopefully you would have noticed, there we go, it's this sort of triangular shaped fountain pen. Okay, as you can see to the ends, it's got this sort of torpedo shape to the ends there, but yeah, one of the Omas pens that they made in this sort of triangular shape. But in this demonstrator and in this bronze vision, it's a stunning pen. I believe the material is something that they term as cotton resin. Whether that's true or not, I'm not too sure. But all I can say, again, I'm repeating myself, it's an absolutely gorgeous pen. Okay, now, as I said, it comes in this tinted bronze, sort of clear demonstrating feature. Hopefully you can see there, it's a piston filled fountain pen, and to the very top there you can see the nib inside the cap as well. Okay, so that being a piston filler, we'll show you in a moment, it's got this turning knob to the end here. Now when I actually found this pen, I must admit there was sort of, traces of ink inside the pen. What I've actually done is fully disassembled it, cleaned everything internally, and as you can see now, it's lovely, clean and ready to go. If we take you up to the cap, you can see the cap band there. It has this sort of Greek, what they term as a Greek key pattern, running all the way around the cap there. To the very top, we've got this sort of slightly gold coloured dome to the top. I think it's metal, and you can see the clip there is this quite a sort of thin and sort of stylized sort of, yeah, like a ski slope clip there. Again, I believe all the trim is gold plated in beautiful condition. I don't think I really need to say anything. Maybe I should just show you the pen and keep quiet because it speaks for itself. It's, as I say, it's absolutely stunning. So let's take the cap off like so. Okay, show you the pen in sort of numerous different angles. There you go, there's a better sort of, you can see the sort of triangular shape there. Okay, now if we take you up to the section, again we've got this sort of Greek stylized key patterned band to the top of the section there, and then the nib there, quite simply. I'm not going to bring it too close because this new camera, I'm not too happy with it. It doesn't focus quite close up as my old one, but it has a lovely Omas 18 carat 750 nib, and then just to the left of the nib it's got the letter M, which indicates, in my opinion, that it's a medium nib. There's a sideways view. We've got the feed to the back there. Okay, as I said, everything's been lovely and cleaned. It's in gorgeous condition, and to write with, this triangular shape is very pleasant to hold. The only thing is that, yeah, it may be a little bit of an acquired taste, but in my opinion it's absolutely lovely and comfortable to actually hold and write with. Just sort of testing the nib, it does have a little bit of, well, a little bit of give, maybe just a little bit of flex to it, but it's a lovely, as I say, 18 karat gold nib. Now, as we said, it's a piston filled fountain pen, which means that if we turn the knob to the end here, there you go. With it being a Demonstrator clear pen, you can see the Demonstrator, sorry, not the Demonstrator, the piston goes all the way up to the nib, and then if we turn it the other way, all the way back home, you can see the piston retracts back into the pen. Okay, so a gorgeous, well, I know I'm keep repeating myself, but it's a beautiful, beautiful pen. The only thing with it, if anything, if you look at the sort of inside the barrel there, that's basically how much ink the pen actually holds. So you would have thought the pen would hold quite a bit of ink, but it holds this particular section here is where the ink actually fills. But saying that, it's more than adequate to write, you know, maybe numerous pages when the pen is actually full of ink. Now, I know you pen people like to see the pen's writing. I'm not going to fill this pen. I'm going to leave that to the new owner to fill the pen with his favourite ink. Now, one of the things, you know, I'm going to throw a question out to you people out there. Now, for me personally, it's a limited edition. It's in beautiful condition. For me personally, as a collector, I would put this pen into my collection as it is. I must admit, even though I restore, collect pens, I'm not a writer. I'm a collector. For you people out there, with it being this sort of clear resin or this Demonstrator, would you fill the pen with ink and would you use it? Because would it then actually stain the inside of the barrel? I don't know. Okay, maybe somebody out there has actually got one of these pens. They can answer the question, but I would be a little bit, no, not scared, but I'd be, a little bit scared of filling the pen and maybe sort of staining the inside of the barrel with ink or whatever colour ink you would put in the pen. But saying it is a fountain pen. It's designed to be filled with ink and to write with. But yeah, a little bit of a question. So, leave a comment down below. Would you fill this pen with ink and use it? Or would you just, again, for me personally, I would put this pen into my collection and admire it. Okay, another little sort of downside of this pen is that the cap is not the best fit. Maybe it's the design of the pen, I don't know, but you'll hear now. There we go. It clicks in its place as it should, but it's not the tightest of caps, of pens that I've had. But saying that, not a problem as far as I'm concerned. Now, this pen, yeah, I have really, really seriously considered keeping, but, needs must. I paid a lot of money for it. I need to recoup my costs. So, yeah, I think it's going to find a new home, and somebody is going to be more than happy with this beautiful pen. And once again, asking the question, would they put it into their collection? Would you use it? Yeah, leave a comment below, and it'd be interesting to see what people's views, to whether we actually fill the pen with ink or not. But there we have it. An absolutely beautiful, beautiful pen, the Omas 360 Bronze Vision Demonstrator, and I believe, as I said, it's a limited edition of 1,000 pen. 1,000 pens when it was introduced circa 2003. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this pen as much as I enjoyed showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel as well. Just there down below, give the video a thumbs up as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini, and from me and this absolutely stunning pen, I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.